In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the Chroma Key to remove the background of your green screen video in CapCut. Let's get started by creating a new project in CapCut, which will open your photo gallery. From there, import the background video you want to use. I'll be using this Brooklyn Bridge video as my background after I remove the green screen. Once the video is imported, we want to add a blur effect for a more polished result. To do this, click on Effects, then select Video Effects. Search for a blur effect and choose the one you like. I'll click on the Adjust option and set the blur effect to around 10 or 15. We don't want the blur to be too strong, but just enough to make our subject stand out, giving it that DSLR bokeh effect. After selecting and adding the blur effect, go back to the timeline and drag the blur effect across the entire video. Now, it's time to add the green screen video. Click on the Overlay option and then Add Overlay. This will open your photo gallery again, where you'll select your green screen video. After adding it, zoom in a little until the video overlay matches the frame. Next, carefully follow these steps. Select the green screen video on the timeline, scroll through the tools at the bottom until you find the Remove BG option, or Cutout if you're using an older version of CapCut, and click on it. Then, tap on Chroma Key. You'll get a color picker on the screen, drag it over the green screen, and then adjust the intensity slider until the green screen is completely removed. To make the better edge of the character, you can adjust the feather edge and clean up edge options. For a final touch, you can add a shadow effect for a better result. Once you've completed all these steps, you're ready to export the video and save it to your photo gallery. That's how you can remove a green screen in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.